So there's a possum eating at my house today, and it looks like... seriously, god damn it. And it looks like there's something wrong with its paw. Oh, the poor thing. What is wrong with your paw, baby? Like it's like a nub or something. Oh. I don't know if you guys get to see it, but that's so sad, baby. I'm glad you're getting a meal at least. And this is why I make sure that I'm home to feed these guys every day. Watching this poor thing walk around is just absolutely breaking my heart. There is something seriously wrong with that back right paw. But I mean, it's a pretty big possum, so obviously it's lived its life. I can't tell if it is an injury though, or if it's actually just like a deformation from when it was born. I mean, it's a good looking possum. Like, the coloring is good and it's big. It's not a little possum by any means. But yeah, I don't know. I just feel bad for it, I guess. It looks like it might be like a deformation from when it... but I can't tell. Like, look at that little paw. Look at that thing. And it just kind of drags it around. Poor thing. I feel so bad for it.